Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to reset all connection settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the connection and sharing. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down, and as you can see here we've got the option we are looking for, so we will be able to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it, and here your device will actually list all of the things, all of the components which will be reset. So as I said, Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, so whole connection. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because this might take several seconds and you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, just tap on OK and let's wait to get the information. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network settings in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.